Today's defense news, the highlights. Ministry of Defense brainstorms with 50 MSMEs and startups to accelerate defense innovation. DRDO and Navy successfully test indigenously developed short-range missile system at Odisha coast. Ministry of Defense signs 6,900 crore deal with Bharat Forge and Tatas for India's next generation ATAGS artillery. New Army division to defend Eastern Ladakh. Induction ceremony of the 4th 25th T Bollard Pull Tug Yuvan. GE Aerospace delivers first F404 engine to Hindustan Aeronautics for TEJAS jets. India's defense sector achieves record 1.27 lakh crore production in financial year 23-24. Exports surge to 21,083 crores. BDL signs a contract worth 4,362 crores with the Ministry of Defense for the supply of armaments. DMSRDE of DRDO unveils boots that shield soldiers from landmine explosions. SpaceX launches Kerala startup's HEX-20's NILA satellite. Sunita Tools bags major letter of intent for supply of artillery shells. Team Waterfly meets with the Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation. In the global highlights, Russia ready to deploy Okhotnik stealth drone with Su-57 fighter jet in new manned unmanned strike strategy. US greenlights potential $1.96 billion MQ-9B drone deal for Qatar. Airbus reveals load counter drone UAS. The news in detail. DRDO and the Indian Navy conducted the successful flight test of an indigenously developed vertically launched short-range surface-to-air missile from the Integrated Test Range Chandipur off the coast of Odisha on 26th of March. The flight test was carried out from a land-based vertical launcher against a high-speed aerial target at very close range and low altitude. It has established the near-boundary low-altitude capability of the missile system. During the test, the target was destroyed by the missile executing the high turn rate required for engaging targets at very close range and establishing the missile's agility, reliability, and pinpoint accuracy. The test was conducted with all weapon systems elements deployed in combat configuration. These elements, including the missile with indigenous radio frequency seeker, multifunction radar, and weapon control system, have performed as per expectations. The performance of the system was validated by the flight data captured by various range instruments developed by ITR Chandipur. The Ministry of Defence has finalized contracts with Bharat Forge and Tata Systems to enhance the Indian Army's artillery capabilities. These deals, worth Rs 6,900 crores, will provide the Army with 155 mm 52 caliber advanced towed artillery gun systems ATAGS and high mobility vehicle 6x6 gun towing vehicles. The signing ceremony took place on 26th of March. With this procurement, the MOD's total capital contracts for the financial year 24-25 have reached Rs 1.40 lakh crores. The ATAGS is designed to replace the Army's aging artillery guns with a more advanced and powerful system. Capable of striking targets up to 48 kilometers away, these guns will significantly boost the Army's firepower and precision. As part of a larger push to enhance mobility, these guns are also being adapted into mounted gun systems by integrating them onto trucks. The trials of MGS are expected to conclude by 2026. Indian Army is in the process of raising a division-level formation to be permanently positioned in the sensitive Eastern Ladakh area, terming it a major re-orbit move. According to sources, the new formation will be called 72 Division. Orbit means order of battle and re-orbit is reorganizing and redeployment of existing troops. In the Army, a division comprises 10,000 to 15,000 combat troops and 8,000 support elements commanded by a major general and made up of 3 to 4 brigades. A brigade has a troop size of 3,500 to 4,000 with a brigadier as a commander. The 72 Division will be permanently placed under the Leh-based 14 Fire and Fury Corps, which was raised in September 1999 after the Kargil War. The Corps handles some of the most sensitive frontiers and battlefields in the world. The area that will be under control of the 72 Division is currently being taken care of by the counter-insurgency wing called Uniform Force. Its elements in lesser numbers were moved as an ad hoc arrangement to fill the gap. The Uniform Force will soon move back to its old location in Riyasi, Jammu Division. The induction ceremony for 4th 25T Bollard Pull Tug Yuvan was held on 26th of March at Naval Dockyard, Vishakhapatnam. These tugs are a part of the contract for construction of 6 25T BP tugs concluded with Titagarh Rail Systems on 12th of November 21. The shipyard had successfully delivered three of these tugs, which are being utilized by Navy to provide assistance to naval ships and submarines during berthing, unberthing, and maneuvering in confined waters. The tugs will also provide afloat firefighting support to ships alongside or at anchorage and will also have the capability to conduct limited search and rescue operations. GE Aerospace has delivered the first of 99 F404 engines to Hindustan Aeronautics for the TEJAS Mark 1A. The F404 In-20 engine is designed specifically for the TEJAS Mark 1A, which is an upgrade of the indigenous light combat aircraft. This engine's delivery comes after a 2-year delay, which had previously impacted the production timeline of 83 TEJAS Mark 1A jets. The F404 engine family, developed by General Electric, is renowned for its success in military aviation, powering thousands of combat aircrafts globally. Among its variants, the F404 stands out as the highest thrust model specifically engineered for India's TEJAS. This advanced turbofan engine produces a maximum thrust of 19,000 lbf and incorporates cutting-edge technology such as high-flow fans and single crystal turbine blades, which enhance performance and reliability. Bharat Dynamics has entered into a significant contract valued at 4,362 crore rupees with the Ministry of Defence. The contract involves the provision of advanced armaments aimed at enhancing the capabilities of the armed forces. This announcement has led to a notable increase in the BDL's share price, which rose by over 3%. The specific armaments that Bharat Dynamics will supply under the recently signed contract have not been disclosed in detail. The Defence Materials and Stores Research and Development Establishment in Kanpur has developed innovative anti-mine boots designed to protect soldiers from the dangers of landmine explosions and sharp spikes hidden in the terrain. This advancement comes after 3 years of dedicated research aimed at enhancing soldier safety during operations in conflict zones. These boots are engineered to withstand the impact of landmine explosions weighing up to 125 kilograms, which generate extreme pressure, approximately 42,000 kilograms per square centimeter. Remarkably, the boots are capable of mitigating this pressure by up to 160 times, significantly reducing the risk of injury to soldiers in the event of an explosion. In addition to their protective capabilities against blasts, these boots also offer defense against sharp objects and venomous insects that may be encountered in dense jungle environments, particularly in areas affected by insurgency. Weighing only 1 kilogram, the boot utilizes a lightweight combination of ceramic porous materials and a hybrid pyramid structure, ensuring that soldiers do not experience fatigue while wearing them. The DMSRDE has conducted extensive testing of these boots in collaboration with the CRPF, confirming their effectiveness in real-world scenarios. SpaceX successfully launched the NILA satellite as part of its Transporter 13 mission, marking a significant milestone for Kerala's space startup HEX-20. Named after Kerala's longest river, NILA, is India's first private payload hosting satellite and was developed in just 4 months. The satellite carries an actuator payload from the German firm Decubed and is designed to control critical components such as solar arrays and antennas in space missions. The launch took place at 12:13 p.m. IST with successful separation from the Falcon 9 rocket occurring at 1:07 p.m. IST. By March 16th, HEX-20 confirmed the reception of the first signal from NILA at its control center located at Marian Engineering College in Thiruvananthapuram. This project was supported by the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center in Space and received backing from ISRO, which also facilitated the establishment of a ground tracking system at the engineering college. Sunita Tools Limited has made headlines after securing a major letter of intent for the supply of 155 mm M107 empty artillery shells. This achievement has propelled the company's stock to hit an upper circuit of 5% at 964 rupees. The contract, valued between 200 to 300 crores, involves the delivery of 1 lakh units over 14 months with monthly shipments of 7,500 pieces. The LOI has been issued by a prominent defense supplier from a neutral and friendly country in the Far East. The Ministry of Defense of that country will directly issue the end user certificate to Sunita Tools. Team Waterfly, incubated at IIT Madras, is revolutionizing transportation with its innovative electric sea gliders, also known as wing and ground craft. These vehicles are designed to fly just above water, leveraging ground effect for efficiency. They promise zero carbon travel and speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour, combining the comfort of aircraft with the affordability of boats. Team Waterfly had the privilege of being invited by the Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation for a chat over coffee. Discussions prompted ideas and more ideas, a great motivation for the team. Kudos to the Minister for proactively engaging with startups. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.